Hello and welcome to another update video on silver. So here on the silver chart, what we can currently track is a sharp rejection. So I wanted to give you a quick update here as well. This is not unexpected. Actually, it's completely expected. If you watched the last videos, then you know that the idea was that a B wave should finish. In this region, we always need to be ready that B waves can overshoot slightly. Yeah, this is something that we always need to keep in mind. They can overshoot. And in this case, it was not a real breakout, it was just a fake out, and that was the risk with the B wave, right? So we talked about that only yesterday. The move to the downside was technically complete. We had a break below an initial micro confirmation level, support level, and that indicated that we might have started the C wave to the downside in our wave 4 correction. The immediate pivot is between $50.33 to $51.27. This is basically the nearest support zone to watch right now. This is upper micro support, in case it forms somehow here some kind of a move to the upside, a direct move up, then ideally we should avoid a decisive break below $50.33. I have to say this is impulsive support. If it's a diagonal, it could technically go a little lower. But for me, I mean, I'm now watching the yellow count primarily anyway, right? That's been my primary view. I have to say the micro count here is a little bit different to the gold chart. If you watch the gold video, then you know that I actually have the wave 1 in the yellow count down here, which is also possible on the silver chart. It depends on how deep this goes. This will probably not really become clear maybe until the next 1 or 2 trading days are over. If this is all wave 1 of C, okay, and it basically unfolds like this in a more extended fashion to the downside, that wouldn't invalidate anything. It would, if we get 5 waves down and then a wave 2 bounce, basically 5 waves down in wave 1 and a wave 2 bounce, then it could set up for a lower C wave. If, however, we do this, so wave 1 already done, wave 2 done, 3, 4, 5, hitting the 100% extension target at $45.98 in this fashion, then it might be that wave 4 completes in that region. So it depends a little bit on the microstructure over the next 24 to 48 hours. Overall, though, seems like the trend has turned down again. Yeah. Few things to talk about again. What did I say in the last videos? Another high is possible. It's still possible. Currently the alternative. Overall, I'm not bearish yet. I'm still bullish, which kind of this additional high confirmed that I should still be bullish, right? So that additional higher high, while it is, in my opinion, simply part of an overshooting B wave, it did exactly what I wanted it to do, basically confirming that we're still in a larger uptrend, okay? But also, the sharp decline confirms also that this is likely just a B wave, and it is a 3-wave move so far. Now, I have to say, I'm probably wrong if we get 5 waves up. That would not change my bigger picture, but it would just change the microstructure and indicate the wave 4 likely already bottomed. But that remains for now the alternative. That's the update on silver. Hope you enjoyed the update. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.